I can't imagine any company that uses Salesforce that shouldn't be using Blackthorn because of the nature of how it so seamlessly ties together all of your data into one place. And if you view Salesforce as a single source of truth for any aspect of your business, including financial, that you have to have that. I'm Andrew Dunlap. I'm one of the co-founders of Fringe, which is a lifestyle benefits marketplace designed to help employers meet the needs for employees right now. So instead of benefits that are deferred until retirement, or if you have a health issue, it's about things that impact your day-to-day life here and now. So on Fringe, an employer gives their employees a value to spend. Sometimes that's monthly, sometimes that's for anniversaries or birthdays or Christmas gifts. Sometimes it's a bonus from their manager saying, hey, you did a great job. And so that value hits their account as points. We think that Fringe is a great way for people to not think about the dollars and cents of it. And so we were trying to remove the monetary aspect of that by making Fringe a point system and trying to gamify it a little bit and sort of just make users more comfortable with, like, I'm going to spoil myself for my family, my kids, my wife, my husband. And so that's kind of why Fringe is a point system. Well, points are a totally made up currency. Now we have a ratio of what it actually stands for to US dollars, but at the end of the day, it's a fictitious thing. And so we had to have this audit trail between the US dollars we were receiving and the points that are being created from it. Before Blackthorn, we were using QuickBooks to do everything. And it was great for when we were a very small company, sending out invoices for various different subscription services that we were charging our clients for, and basic fees and really recurring revenue that we were taking from them. So we had this very scalable process that worked for a certain number of users, and then beyond that, it just started to break down. It became a very heavy lift for our non-full-time billing person. And so we kind of started to look at opportunities to say, okay, there has to be a way we can improve this. There has to be a way we can scale this. We had some Stripe products in the past that we used for point of sale things on our site. And so we thought, okay, whatever we have, we want to definitely work with Stripe. And then we have a heavy emphasis and lean very heavily on Salesforce products. And so we thought, okay, so Stripe and Salesforce are sort of our baseline of things that we really need this to work for. Blackthorn can then help us tie all these things together to create the bridge that would allow a user to pay us, and we could then see exactly where that money was being spent on the marketplace, and also capturing it all through Stripe, posting that in Salesforce, being able to report on it in Salesforce and show all of our financial metrics right there alongside all the other data that we were pulling into Salesforce. And having Blackthorn be that was another wonderful way in which we got a lot of ROI immediately of just having that back end just tied directly to where the invoice was coming from. I can't imagine any company that uses Salesforce that shouldn't be using Blackthorn because of the nature of how it so seamlessly ties together all of your data into one place. And if you view Salesforce as a single source of truth for any aspect of your business, including financial, that you have to have that. Blackthorn solves a lot of problems, but a lot of companies solve a lot of problems. But when you have a team that backs a product as well as Blackthorn backs their product, that's something that no matter what happens, no matter what challenges you have along the way, no matter what your use case is, Blackthorn's team is going to partner with you super well and be involved at a deep level to ensure the product is delivered exactly as you need it to be, and it's utilized in the ways that you need to be utilized within your organization. And every company, might say that on their website and might talk about that in an email drip they send you. But Blackthorn is actually one of the few that I've encountered that actually does that. And so I would say to anyone that's considering Blackthorn versus a competitor, if you're looking at a spreadsheet of features, you're missing a big aspect of what Blackthorn is. It's a team of very dedicated people that are going to be extremely committed to effectively helping you and your business move forward. And that's something you just can't put on a spreadsheet.